Hello, and welcome to the explanation video for Bronze Etude number 5. Make sure that you have your copy out so that you can see your notes. I have the flute and oboe copy up on my screen, but make sure that you're looking at yours so that you can see your specific notes. On this one, you should see a very familiar key signature. 2 flats for the flutes, oboes, bassoons, trombones, euphoniums, and tubas. No flats or sharps for the clarinets and trumpets. 1 sharp for the alto saxophone, and 1 flat for the French horn. We're in 4/4 time for this exercise, 4 beats per measure, but we have slurs. Remember, a slur is when you're going to tongue the first note, but then you don't tongue again on the next note. You'll tongue again once the slur is over. So this first measure would be ta, ta. If you look over here, there's also some longer slurs. And this one you would tongue the first note, but you wouldn't tongue again until the measure's over because the slur covers all of it. Ta. Same thing over here, bigger, longer slurs. So you're going to want to be careful on this one. When you pass it off, we're really listening for your correct slurring. Trombones, remember you have a special slur technique. You have to tongue every note, trombones. So trombones, you'll tongue the first note, but then you'll just lightly tongue the second note. Ta, la, ta, la. Very light tongue for the notes that would normally be slurred. As far as your rhythms go, all quarter notes and half notes should be really easy there. So this one, instead of counting and clapping it, let's go ahead and say ta or ah for each note with a metronome so you can practice articulating that correctly. So here's a metronome for us. Let's go ahead and say that articulation. 1, 2, say it with me. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, off. Nice work. So now as you begin to play it on these basic notes here, make sure that you're getting that correct articulation. Ta, ah, as you go into those slurs. You can go ahead and go to your special video now on your instrument and practice that along with the pro player.